Samsung's first tri-folding phone, a new chapter in foldable tech. Samsung has officially taken a major leap forward in smartphone innovation by unveiling something we've all been waiting years to see: its first-ever multi-folding smartphone, the Galaxy Z TriFold. And this launch couldn't have come at a more critical time. Competition in the foldable market is intensifying rapidly, especially from Chinese brands that are pushing boundaries with aggressive designs and pricing. So Samsung's move is not just a product release, it's a strategic statement. This new device will hit shelves in South Korea on December 12th, marking the beginning of Samsung's rollout plan. After that, it will expand to key markets such as China, Taiwan, Singapore, and the UAE. Samsung has also confirmed that the US release is planned for early 2026, specifically sometime in the first quarter. More details for the American market will be announced later. Now, let's talk about the hardware, because this is where things get exciting. The Galaxy Z TriFold will arrive in a single configuration: a sleek black finish, 16 GB of RAM, and 512 GB of internal storage. At a price of around 3,594,000 Korean won, which translates to roughly $2,449, it's clear Samsung is presenting this as a premium, experimental flagship rather than a mass-market device. And honestly, that makes sense. Because this isn't just a phone, it's a testbed for the future of foldable technology. A design that redefines what a phone can be. At the heart of the TriFold is its unique three-panel design. Using two inward folding hinges, the device unfolds into a massive 10-inch inner display. That makes it almost as large as an 11-inch iPad, giving users tablet-level real estate in a compact, pocketable form factor. The screen resolution comes in at 2160 by 1584, offering a crisp, immersive viewing experience. When folded, the device measures 12.9 mm thick, slightly thicker than last year's Galaxy Z Fold 6 at 12.1 mm, but still slimmer than many earlier foldables. And given that it folds in multiple stages, the engineering behind keeping it this compact is genuinely impressive. According to Liz Lee, Associate Director at Counterpoint Research, Samsung isn't aiming for massive sales figures with this launch. Instead, they're focused on learning, evaluating hinge durability, testing the software experience, and collecting user feedback before more widely commercializing multi-fold devices. Her words highlight the bigger picture. Samsung knows that 2026 will be a turning point, especially with rumors heating up around Apple's potential entry into the foldable category. And with Chinese competitors already launching their own trifold concepts, Samsung wants to reinforce its position as the leader in foldable innovation. Power, performance, and multitasking like never before. One of the standout features of the TriFold is its extreme multitasking capability. The three-panel design allows users to run three different apps side by side, in vertical alignment, without feeling cramped. It also supports a desktop-style mode, almost like having a built-in portable workstation without needing an external monitor. Samsung has equipped this device with its largest battery ever used in a foldable, ensuring that the bigger screen and advanced mechanics don't compromise longevity. The TriFold also supports super-fast charging, enabling it to reach 50% battery in just 30 minutes. We also heard from T.M. Rowe, now serving as Samsung Electronics co-CEO and the head of the Device Experience Division. He said that the Galaxy Z TriFold is the result of years of research and is designed to balance portability with performance and productivity. And truly, the concept brings all these elements together in a unique way. Competition is rising, especially from China. Samsung may have pioneered the foldable phone back in 2019, but the landscape today looks very different. Chinese brands have been catching up quickly, offering slimmer devices, competitive pricing, and innovative designs. For example, Huawei recently introduced its own second-generation trifold phone in the Chinese market, and it's actually slightly thinner than Samsung's model when folded, coming in at 12.8 mm. Brands like Honor have also expanded into international foldable markets. Interestingly, Honor was originally part of Huawei before spinning off due to US sanctions, and now it's becoming a serious competitor on the global stage. This growing competition explains why Samsung is pushing the boundaries with the TriFold. It's not just about launching a new product. It's about staying ahead in an industry where leadership can shift quickly. Durability and protection. As for durability, The TriFold comes with an IP48 rating. This means the device can withstand being submerged in water up to 1.5 meters for about 30 minutes, but dust protection is still limited. It's not dust-proof, and that's understandable given the complexity of the triple-hinge structure. Still, achieving even this level of water resistance on a TriFold device is a significant engineering accomplishment. Final thoughts. Samsung's Galaxy Z TriFold isn't just another smartphone launch. It's a glimpse into the next evolution of mobile technology. With a massive display, a bold new folding mechanism, powerful hardware, and desktop-like productivity features, it shows what the future could look like once multifold devices become mainstream. While the first generation will be available in limited quantities, its real purpose is much larger: to shape Samsung's strategy for a new era of foldable devices, an era where Apple and China's biggest brands will all be fighting for the top spot.